In this video, I'll share 9 of the best GitHub repos for learning AI and machine learning. These are some of the repos I've found helpful along the way, so let's get straight to it. First up, awesome lists. These are community created lists of the most useful resources, tools and materials for a specific technology or topic. There's an awesome list for pretty much every type of technology or topic you could want to learn, but here are the 4 I recommend for AI and machine learning. Awesome Python. Python is the language of AI and machine learning. This repo summarizes the libraries, frameworks and resources covering everything from data visualization to deep learning and NLP. This is one of those repos you'll keep coming back to because it helps you discover the right tools for whatever project you're working on. Awesome Machine Learning. This one zooms in specifically on ML. It's a massive collection of machine learning frameworks and libraries, not just for Python, but for other languages too. Awesome Data Science. It's packed with the best tutorials, books, courses and tools that can guide you from beginner-friendly data projects all the way to advanced topics. And lastly, Awesome MLOps. This one's a bit more advanced, but it's great if you want to take models beyond your laptop and into production. It's full of resources on deploying, monitoring and scaling machine learning systems, which is the real-world side of ML that often gets overlooked. Next up is roadmap.sh. This repo lays out clear learning roadmaps for a bunch of different technologies or career paths. There are roadmaps for Python, AI and data science, AI engineering, machine learning, MLOps, and even AI agents. This is great as it gives you structure on what to learn at each stage and how all the skills connect. That's where your study stays focused and on track instead of bouncing randomly between tutorials. The Oreilly Book repos. These are companion repos to some of the most popular AI and ML books out there. My top picks are the Python Data Science Handbook, which is perfect for learning the Python libraries that power data science. Hands-on machine learning with scikit-learn, Keras and TensorFlow, which takes you through practical projects step by step, and designing machine learning systems, which focuses on building and deploying ML systems in the real world. Together, they give you a solid mix of foundations, applied practice, and system-level thinking. Next up are 2 legendary repos from Andrej Karpathy. The first is Neural Networks Zero to Hero. This is a series of notebooks and video lectures where Karpathy builds up neural networks completely from scratch. It's one of the clearest practical introductions to deep learning you'll find, because he doesn't just teach the theory, but shows you how to implement everything step by step without relying on libraries like PyTorch. Then there's MinGPT. This repo is a minimal educational implementation of GPT, showing you how large language models actually work under the hood. The code is simple, clean, and easy to follow, which makes it a perfect starting point if you want to understand transformers and modern LLMs. The best way to truly retain what you learn is to put it into practice by building projects, and GitHub has some amazing repos for that. Project-based learning. This repo is a huge collection of project ideas across many programming languages. In the Python section, you'll find everything from data science and machine learning projects to deep learning and computer vision with OpenCV. The projects go from beginner-friendly to more advanced, so no matter where you are in your journey, you should find something interesting to work on. It's perfect when you're not sure what to build next and need inspiration. Build Your Own X. This is one of my favorite repos because it contains in-depth guides for recreating the tools and systems that programmers usually take for granted. Everything from your own web server and database to a neural network or even a visual recognition system. This is a great resource for improving your programming skills and understanding of how these technologies work under the hood. If you're interested in the field of generative AI, the awesome Generative AI Guide repo is a fantastic resource. It collects the best tutorials, tools, and libraries so you can dive into text, image, and multimodal generative AI without getting lost. Lastly, Made with ML. This repo teaches you how to design, develop, and deploy production-grade ML applications. Beyond just coding models, you'll learn how to combine machine learning with software engineering practices so you can build projects that actually work end-to-end. It's a great way to see how the concepts you've learned can be applied in real-world scenarios and helps bridge the gap between theory and practice. If you found this video helpful, you might like to check out this series over here, where I'm building different machine learning models from scratch in Python. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.